Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make the most delicious Paloma cocktail like a pro. This exceptionally refreshing summer cocktail is beautifully concocted with tequila and grapefruit juice. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. First we need a salted rimmed glass for this cocktail. So take a small piece of lemon, and rub it lightly on the rim. Okay, that's enough. Now slowly move it on the salt. And the salt will stick immediately on the edge of the glass, and create a beautiful salted rim. Now give a few little jerks to remove loose salt from the rim. For better results, use fresh and dry salt, or microwave the salt at least for a minute. Now carefully put 8 to 10 ice cubes in the glass. Okay, let's get into the mixology. Pour 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounces of tequila. Today I am using a reposado or rested tequila, but you can use any tequila of your choice. After tequila, pour 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of simple syrup. After simple syrup, pour 90 milliliters or 3 ounces of grapefruit juice. This is one of my favorite cocktails. And I hope you will also like this recipe. The last ingredient is the fresh lemon juice, so I will squeeze half of a lemon to extract around 15 milliliters or half an ounce of lemon juice. This will give a refreshing citrusy aroma to the cocktail. Now dry shake all the ingredients. And carefully pour the mixture straight into the glass. Dry shake is similar to the mix method, where ingredients are shaken without ice to avoid over-dilution, and poured straight into the glass. Use this technique to prepare refreshing summer cocktails. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cocktails and mixology tidbits. Now add a few more ice cubes, and garnish the cocktail. Today I am using a dehydrated lemon wheel, though you can use a fresh lemon or a slice of grapefruit. The refreshing Paloma cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers! Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.